Hey, it's Eran here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to integrate Systeme.io and VideoAsk. VideoAsk is a video tool to get your website visitors more engaged on a personal level through video. I have a video funnel created using VideoAsk, and I want to show you how to integrate it with Systeme.io. Pretend that the page you're seeing right now, which is set up in Systeme, that's my homepage or my sales page or some sort of a membership hub or something like that. Now, the VideoAsk funnel that I specifically am going to integrate is an experience survey, something that I talk about in my workshop about social proof and testimonials. In short, it's basically a VideoAsk or a video funnel, which has a widget where people that have worked with me, I ask them to rate their experience working with me one-on-one. If they give me good feedback about working with me, I want a review or a testimonial and I ask for that. And if they're not satisfied, I ask for feedback. So that's all I want to do. And I want to have the widget appear right here. Now, this happens to have come from a question from somebody in my tech support membership who sent me this particular page, and they wanted to know how to have something like that set up. So I'm going to show you in this video exactly how I'm going to connect this. Now you'll notice that it says talk to me, and there is the video, audio, text, stuff like that. Now that whole thing, I'm not going to cover how to set up a video ask in this tutorial. If you do want me to record a tutorial on how to set up a video ask from A to Z, please leave a comment with the word video ask. What I am going to show you is how to set up an existing video ask that you already have created and connect it to your Systeme account. So I'm going to go to my video ask account, and I'm going to click right here on the experience survey, which is the one that I just told you about. I'm going to click on the three dots. Then I'm going to click on share. Then I'm going to click on embed in a website. Then I could do two things. I could do iframe, which means it's going to take the entire space of the page. But in this case, I don't want to do that. I want to do widget. Now, the widget, I have different styles. And you're going to see right here a preview of what it would look like. So I could do it like this, and you'll see it will be a square. I could do a little guy like this. I could do like this, where it's kind of tall. And I can also choose the position if I want it to be positioned in a different site. Now you'll notice that in this lady's case, it says talk to me. So I can do something similar, and I could say, talk to me, like that. Now, another thing that is important is to say, make widget dismissible, which means somebody can actually close it, basically, so it's not interrupting. And you see this little icon right here, which I think is important because you don't want to ruin the user experience, basically. So I think that's important, especially if you're going to use the big one. Now, in my case, I'm going to use it right here. And then I'm going to do exactly what my client asked, which is this little guy right here. And then I'm going to click on copy code. Once I've copied it, I'm going to go to Systeme.io, and I'm going to scroll all the way down to the left. I'm going to click on raw HTML. You're just going to click on it once, and then you're going to see this thing right here. You're going to see Systeme.io, and it says raw HTML in the orange. Pay attention to that. When you click on it, you're going to notice this left panel going to pop up, and you're going to see the raw HTML. Then you're going to click on edit code. Then this box is going to appear. You're going to highlight what's there, delete, and then you're going to paste in the code from VideoAsk. You don't have to worry what this means or anything like that. You're just going to simply click save, click on save changes, and now you're going to click on this I button to make sure that it's all working. And now you'll notice here on the right, you see this to talk to me. Click on it, and the VideoAsk is set up. Okay, so that's how you do it. There is another way to do that as well, and I will show you how to do it just in case. So you can also not have to do it in here. You can actually delete all of this. Click on save. You can also scroll down, click on edit footer code, and paste it in, and click on save, and click on save changes. Click on preview, and you're going to see the same thing appear right here, the exact same way. So I recommend, to make your life easier, is that you follow the first way that I've explained it to you, basically. Now, what I would recommend to you to do also is, it doesn't really matter where you put this HTML code. So what I would say is put it at the top, at the very, very top. So in case you ever want to change it, you can always see it right there, basically. And it's going to be basically visible. And you will know that you see it by seeing this HTML right here, okay? So that's what I would recommend for you. That way you can always go back and change it and not forget that it's actually here, okay? So you just have to be conscious of that. All right, so I want to do a quick recap of the steps so you have that, and I will also leave the checklist below for you. So basically, you want to create your VideoAsk video funnel. You want to customize the VideoAsk widget with your brand color and how you want your user experience to be. You want to copy the embed code. Then you want to go to Systeme.io editor and go to the specific page you want the VideoAsk to appear. Then you scroll to the left element called raw HTML and add it to the top of the page. Add the embed code of the VideoAsk to the raw HTML element in Systeme.io, click on Save Changes, and preview the page to make sure it works. That is the steps to integrate the VideoAsk in your Systeme.io account. Now, in case you are not familiar with these tools, you can check them out by going to aran.link/VideoAsk, and you can create a free account with them. They're a really, really cool tool that I use, and I have various use cases. Again, if you want to learn more about how I use VideoAsk in my business, and how I used to collect testimonials, get customer feedback, things along these lines, leave a comment below with the word video ask. And if you want to learn more about Systeme.io, maybe you're on the free plan, maybe you're just exploring it, I do have a really cool bonus if you go to aran.link/197 bonus. It's going to, first of all, show you the 40% discount for the plan, but also it's going to show you what I offer as bonus for people using my link. So this is the VideoAsk tutorial integration with Systeme.io. Hope you got value from this. If you have any questions, let me know. Leave a comment below. And that's about it. Please subscribe to this channel. And to the right or to the top, you're going to see additional videos that are going to help you with Systeme.io and getting your account set up and stuff like that. And yeah, that's about it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll speak to you soon. Cheers.